Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Stars World. Here is our topic is why are aeroplanes usually painted white? It's perhaps something that most travelers, even frequent flyers, have wondered about but never bothered to ask. Why are aeroplanes usually painted white? Of course, even airline has its own distinctive branding or livery comprising color, graphic and typographical identifiers. But underneath nearly all passenger aircraft sport white paint. Here are a few reasons why. The first and most important point is it reflects sunlight. The main reason why aircraft are painted white or light colors is to reflect sunlight. Other colors will absorb most of the light. This is crucial as when sunlight is absorbed by an aircraft, this heats up the body of an airplane. Painting a passenger plate white minimizes both the heating and potential damage from solar radiation, not only when the airplane is in flight, but also when it's parked on the runway. And the second most important point is it doesn't fade. When flying at high altitudes, airplanes are completely exposed to various atmospheric conditions. Colored aircraft tend to fade over time and thus require repainting to maintain their aesthetic appeal. Aside from the fact that paint adds significant weight to an aircraft, meaning more fuel is burned, the paint itself costs money too. On the other hand, an airplane that is painted white or light colored doesn't appear significantly different even after spending a significant amount of time in the air. And the third most important point is it allows signs of damage to be detected more easily. For obviously safety reasons, commercial aircraft are regularly checked for forms of surface damage such as cracks and dents. Nothing works better than white paint, as these dents, oil spills and other faults are almost always darker than white, allowing them to be identified and repaired swiftly. And the fourth most important topic is it reduces bird strikes. A bird strike is defined as a collision between a bird and an aircraft which is in flight or one that is taking off, landing, or in low altitude flight. Bird strikes are common and can be a significant threat to aircraft safety. White exteriors can enhance aircraft visibility and potentiality, increase its detection and avoidance by birds. Darker aircraft color schemes, on the other hand, could possibly reduce the contrast between aircraft and the visual background. In turn, this may reduce the ability of birds to detect aircraft in sufficient time to avoid collision. So friends, I hope you understand now. So why LPG gas cylinders are mostly red in color? Domestic LPG cylinders are not always red in color. For example, blue colored cylinders are used in Singapore. Red light color has the highest wavelength in the visible spectrum, so it is visible even from a long distance. Red color is used for anything which is dangerous or urgent. As we know, the LPG is highly inflammable. It is painted red for the safety of the consumer. Thank you all.